Hi everyone, Ryan from Gray's Classic Cars and Bikes. Sitting beside us here is the 1978 Falcon XC, I call it the Super Coupe. This car is a really trick, well-built car. It doesn't just look old school, but it's got all late model running gear under it. Let's jump in and take it for a drive, and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. We're just taking for a drive what I call the XC Falcon Super Coupe. Now the guy that built this car, he wanted an old school Falcon Hard top, but he wanted to drive, perform and brake and handle like a current model muscle car. And I tell you what, he's done a cracker job. I call him the Chip Foose of Australia because what he's done with this car is amazing. It's running a Tremec 6-speed gearbox. He's even put tilt steering column in it, so for bigger guys you can get in and out and move the steering wheel away to make it comfortable. It's running Cobra seats. It's running a 351 stroked out to 410. It's got coilover suspension all round. He's put rack and pinion steering in it. He has just spent an absolute mozza. Plus, while doing all this, he gave it a full rotisserie restoration, and the car is mind-blowing. This is just such a great car to drive, and it stops and handles. John Bow, one of Australia's best racing drivers, drove this car around Eastern Creek a couple of years back and said it's the best Falcon Coupe he's ever driven in his life. And that's basically because of the brake suspension, steering, the way the guys built the car. The bodywork is beautiful. The paintwork has got a mirror shine on it, and it just does everything right. It really does. If you want to get an old school car but drives and handles like a new one, this is the car. Like going around this roundabout, even the steering just feels like I'm driving a brand new car. The power steering setup, everything about this car's been done correct. It took him quite a few years to build it, and that motor is just super healthy. I could honestly spend all day driving this car. So it's a 1977 XC Falcon Coupe. It was a factory 351. It was originally the Balladollar highway patrol car. It's changed a lot since then, and it's just a credit to the owner. The guy who built it, he's just done a ripper job. The steering wheel's neat. The shift of the 6-speed Tremec gearbox just makes it a pleasure to drive on the highway. And just the seating position, the copper wraparound seats, just first class effort. So if you're after a super tough coupe, you've got to have a look at this car. We've actually got this car on premises at Pinkenbar, 131 Main Beach Road, Pinkenbar. So if you want to pop down and have a look at it, by all means do. Or if you want some more information, give us a call on 1300 Classic, or shoot us an email to classic@grays.com.au, and I'm just going to keep driving it.